I feel ukuthi it is high time we unite Africa.
Yeah.
Nami ngivumelana nayo. I see and I'm saying if we say they need to go, it's gonna be anyeke ibukeke kahle wena mfowethu, but we need to make means ukuthi since they are here already yini lena esingayenza ukuthi I feel ukuthi this march it's not directed to the right people. I feel ukuthi it's directed to abantu abangenacala. They should find a way ukuthi we need to document all these people. It might take time. Ayeke kube into ya 2 days 3 days. It might take time because of if we deport them, they've tasted all the milk and they've tasted all the honey. So if you deport them, they will come back because of they know there's milk and honey in that country.
Africa,
There's that mindset yokuthi people from outside South Africa are bringing crime in our country. That is not true. Crime exists everywhere. As South Africans, we are criminals at our own.
Hello, sanibonani, sibuyile futhi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi I'll be talking to people ngibabude ngalesimo lesikhona la South Africa manje kuyamashwa up and down. Sibonile itolo baby base Eastern Cape bamasha imatch and match bo Sister Jacinta bandlule khona la Joburg nase KZN. So I'm talking to people ngithola ama views wabo what do they think ngale match lekhona la South Africa. So my brother sawubona
Mfethu kunjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila futhi.
Igama ngibani?
Kama nguXolani Mtendere Dlamini.
Komfowethu futhi ubonile kune match iqale eKZN yetala Jozi ya Eastern Cape ya rotate netolo bese Eastern Cape. People are marching, people are protesting against illegal foreigners. Ngifuna nje kuva luvo lwakho.
Mina as a South African born and raised in South Africa, both my parents are South African. I feel ukuthi this march it's not directed to the right people. I feel ukuthi it's directed to abantu abangenacala, but those who are accountable for this whole situation, they are not being targeted. So that's how I feel about this march. It's directed to wrong people, sure.
So who are the right people like mele target like mele iqondiswe kubo ke lele march?
I think the right people for this march, I think it's the ruling party, or maybe not the ruling party, but the people who are in leadership, the people who are in government. You understand? It is them laba ekufune ukuthi ba confront with such issues. Ukuthi how is it possible for an African to be a foreigner in Africa? Understand what makes us to be different from other continents. If you talk about Europe is one big country. If you talk about America is one big country. But as Africans, we are still being forced ukuthi sibe divided so that we will continue with this hatred of one another. So if we are targeting those who are in power, we are able to make the demands. Guys, we need to make sure we make Africa one big country. We need to make sure we document people who are coming to a different country within the borders of Africa. It is wrong for people to come to a country bangenama document. So that's my take, my brother.
Okay, so but someone can say because it's a good thing. I remember CIC Africa must unite, sibe one and whatsoever. I've heard with Gaddafi nabe khuluma ngalo ukuthi Africa be one. But manje lesikhathi singafiki. Some other people are saying that it's not the time yet now. And South Africa, we are the ones who are because of this. People feel like they are being abused because like South Africa is like it's hella.
Sure. Okay, I won't talk for other people, but I think my struggles that I'm facing right now are not caused by people who are coming from outside South Africa. I'm a performing artist and I don't have a struggle with other African brothers and sisters who are sharing the same craft with me. I understand. So hence I'm saying I will not be able to speak for other people what is their reasons but the Africans. But for me as an African, I feel it is high time we unite Africa because of if this talk for more than 60 years, it's 2025 now, but we are not united as a continent. So it's still a problem. Who's at fault with that problem? It's the people who are leading the continent. It's the people who are leading the countries within the continent. It is them who are still divided amongst each other because of others are worshipping the Europeans, others are worshipping the Americans, others are worshipping the Russians, others are worshipping the Chinese. So self as leaders, they are divided amongst themselves and then they are spreading that divisions to us normal citizens. Understand my brother? Because of if you can listen, Fikile Mbalula, past few days, he mentioned things about people from outside South Africa, they need to go. I'm saying if we say they need to go, it's gonna be angeke ibukeke kahle when I'm for it. But we need to make means ukuthi since they are here already, yini lena esingayenza ukuthi let's say maybe we give them asylum.
Yeah.
Residential asylums. You understand? Because of it's not like all of them they're coming from countries that are torn near war. Others are coming from Zimbabwe. Others are coming. There are people from Swaziland out here who are here without papers. What are we saying to those people? So once we start focusing on the Zimbabwean Mozambicans, we are losing the whole thing. We understand, my brother. Because of there is that thing with Swazi people, they are from Mpumalanga. No, that's wrong. There are people from Swaziland who are in South Africa without documentation.
Yeah. So kahle because even as I see President Julius Malema at let's not deport them. It's a waste of time. It's a waste of money. Rather, let's find a way to document them because they are already here. You are agreeing with him.
Sure. I was trying to make that point. Just that I got derailed.
Yeah.
Yes, my good brother. We need to home affairs and human settlement. They need to combine maybe and find ways. How do we accommodate these people? And also, how do we document them? We know every individual in South Africa. We are at here system because of. If you are not registered in a country, my brother, you can commit crimes. The system won't be able to track you. Yeah, understand? Yeah. So we are avoiding those things because of there's that mindset. People from outside South Africa are bringing crime in our country. That is not true. Crime exists everywhere. As South Africans, we are criminals at our own. As much as people from outside the country, they can come with their different agendas. Others coming here to study. Others are coming here to work. Others are coming here to hustle. Ngendlela ezingekho right. Yeah, I understand. So nami ngivumelana nayo CIC and I disagree with Fikile Mbalula which they should go. Fikile Mbalula should know better as someone who has been to exile. Fine, she did not go there with the same circumstances that people that are in South Africa right now are facing. You understand? Yeah, now it's because of South Africa was facing in the apartheid. So they were given indawo yokuthi lana ningacasha and train your guerrillas and everything. But he should know better. It's wrong for him to say they should go. It's him part of the problem. Yeah, understand? They should find a way. We need to document all these people. It might take time. I have been there 2 days, 3 days. It might take time because of if we deport them, they've tasted all the land of
place of milk and honey.
Yeah, understand. So they've drank all the milk and they've tasted all the honey. So if you deport them, they will come back because of they know there's milk and honey in that country.
Africa,
yeah, understand. Remember, some of these people they are bringing skills, my brother. They build our walls, they build our houses, our universities. They are but as South Africans, we are still saying no. We don't want these people. If we can document these people, I'm telling you, my brother, us as South Africans. Even the skills we're gonna acquire from these people. Because of some of our brothers, they are working Guma workshop as abo mechanics. Working for Opatrao, who is an illegal immigrant. But he's your boss. He pays you. And she's giving you a skill so Keniki mode. Do you know how much it costs for you to do engineering? You understand as if we can allow these people to be in South Africa rightfully so. I think as South Africans, from born. Imagine if the continent unites, how much power we're gonna have, a negotiating power with other countries. If America wants to buy a barrel of oil, he's no longer buying it in South Africa, but he's buying it in Africa. The last time I checked, a barrel was $150. So Tina, we can put our price. We are selling you this barrel with $1,000. Take it or leave it.
No, Trump. Thank you very much.
Like Trump did. What tariffs? He said take it or leave it. So now we should play that take it or leave it game. Remember, America is a continent, my brother, that was united to make it one card. That is why power you bargain. See, now we are talking as individuals, talking as Ghana, talking as Namibia. We are not united. Sure.
Puti, thank you very much. Sabanga cool. But ngicela just before sivala, because ngiyabona ukuthi indzabeni bantu baseNigeria, South Africa is xenophobic, people are dying, but ngibona kwami no one kude umuntu abulewe manje. This match has been peaceful. Can you please talk to our African brothers, encourage them with no guys, good no one is dying.
Brothers and sisters, my fellow Africans, my middle name is Mtendere. It means be at peace. This is a Zambian name. So let me tell you, here in South Africa, especially on this recent march, no one was killed. It was people who were forced to go out of their flats that they were occupying. Because of some of them, they were selling drugs in those flats, but they were never killed. Maybe if we are referring to previous marches, people were killed, and it was wrong for our African brothers to kill other African brothers. But this time around, no one was killed, my brothers. It was a peaceful march.
Yeah.
Please sort out your papers. Make sure that you go to your nearest embassy and sort out your papers, because of when they come, it won't look nice.
Yeah.
Sure, mfowethu.
Thank you. Siyabonga ke. Danko.